this is Chad, and I'm gonna teach you how to play Beethoven's Für Elise. Believe it or not, this video was actually inspired by Kobe Bryant, the late great LA Laker, because I just watched an interview where they said he learned Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata for his wife. Now this guy had like millions of dollars, so he could have just paid an orchestra to play it for his wife, but he actually sat down and learned it himself. So I thought I would sit down and teach you how to play another Beethoven song, and all I ask in return is you subscribe to the channel and maybe send a video of you learning the whole song, or just learning the right hand or learning the left hand, and you can send it to my Instagram. My apologies for the piano being out of tune a little bit. That's actually out of tune quite a bit, but it kind of adds to the hauntingness of this song. But anyways, let's get started. First thing you want to do is find your two black keys. See how there's 3 black keys and 2 black keys? So find any set of 2 black keys and label it C, D, and E underneath. With I use stickers. I wouldn't advise using markers or anything on your grandmother's piano. And once you get the C, D, and E in the right spot, just put the rest of the alphabet around it. With the A, B, there's your C, D, and E. An F and a G, and then you start over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So no matter where you start, as long as you start with C, D, and E under the 2 black keys, you just put the rest of the alphabet around it up to G and then start over. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it'll all work out. That way when I tell you the notes, you'll know where they're at. So let's go ahead and start with the right hand. And you want to find an E note, which is right next to your 2 black keys, and you want to rock it back and forth with the black note that's right next to it on the left hand side here, like this. And it's already sounding Beethoven-esque. You rock it back and forth 2 times, and then go to E, B, D, C, A. The next part is C, E, A, B. And then the next part is E, A flat, B, C. So let's play those 3 parts together slow. B, D, C, A, C, E, A, B, E, A flat, B, C. And now the second half of the riff here is the exact same thing except for the last 4 notes. You start off exactly the same. B, D, C, A, C, E, A, B. Except this time you're gonna go E, C, B, A, and that's the whole right hand. So let's play them back to back. B, D, C, A, C, E, A, B, E, A flat, B, C. Now start over with that E and E flat. B, D, C, A, C, E, A, B. But this time you go E, C, B, A. Alright, now you want to practice that right hand for like 2 days until you can get it down without even thinking about it, because the fun part is trying to combine your right hand and left hand together. So you got to get that part of your brain where you don't even have to think about it anymore. Now with your left hand, it's just a few notes, so it's pretty easy. It's just hard combining it in the right spot with the right hand. So here we go. On your left hand, start with a pinky on an A note, your pointer finger on an E, and your thumb on an A note, the A octave. And you want to roll it from left to right. A, E, A. The next part is E, E, A flat, back to A, E, A. And that's the whole left hand over and over again. So I would practice that for a whole day, just going A, E, A. And now with your pinky and thumb first this time, E, E, then pointer finger on A flat. And then go back to A, E, and A. The great thing is that the riff starts and ends at the same spot. So here we go, just keep practicing this over and over again, nice and slow. A, E, A, E, E, A flat, A, E, A. Now start over. A, E, A, E, E, A flat, A, E, A. And then practice that for a couple days, and then you can start to bring the two together. And when you bring the two together, just do it part by part. Have your hand already on the A, E, and A over here. And this is where it comes in. You want to go B, D, C. And when you hit the A note in the right hand, you're going to hit this A note in the left hand at the same time. Then when you go to the B note, you should be to the second part. On the C note, be back to A, E, and A. Then start over again for the second half. Same thing, when you hit the A note in your right hand, you hit the A note in your left hand. When you hit the B note, you should be ready for E, E, and A flat. This is where the right hand changes. And then when you end on the A note, you start with the A note in the left hand. So now to end the video, I'm just going to play it a couple times through nice and slow without babbling. Here we go. Sometimes it helps to just watch and see where the left, make sure you pay attention to when the left hand is starting and all that. Here we go. Alright, that's going to do it for Beethoven's piano lesson of Für Elise. Hopefully you can go to a party and impress all your friends, or better yet, impress your significant other. All I ask is you go and subscribe to the channel and send me some videos in Instagram, in Messenger, of you playing maybe just the right hand, or if you can get both hands together. I'd like to see a video of you guys trying it too. But anyways, that's going to do it. So until we meet again, I just want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.